As you see, there is the cheapest winter tree I could find in whole Karanos. It means that Grandfather Winter is coming soon. The best way to celebrate this special time of the year is obviously to make some warm drink. My favorite is hot chocolate. So today I shall show you how to make two kinds of hot chocolate at once. It's very simple recipe. Just take your favorite chocolate, put the water in the pot, and when it's hot, put another pot in it. Put the crushed chocolate in the inner pot to melt. Important, if you have vegan friends, don't give them any chocolate. Trust me, vegan and chocolate is a bad combination. When the chocolate starts melting, add milk. Flood the chocolate like the cataclysm flooded Manatee Harbor, killing thousands and reshaping the face of the world. When you mix everything up, it's time for the spices. Grate some fresh ginger that shall warm you up. Add honey that shall protect you from sinister germs looking to attack weak body. And add nutmeg because it's good. The most important ingredient is a rum. Remember to add it at the very end and do not boil after adding rum because it shall kill alcohol. And we want the alcohol. And that's almost all. Pour the chocolate into a nice cup and sprinkle it with a white chocolate. For decoration, add a cinnamon stick and a mint leaf and even slice of orange. But it's not over yet. Do exactly the same with white chocolate. Melt it, add milk, grate ginger, add nutmeg, add honey. Fell into self-admiration. Pour it into a cup and sprinkle with grated black chocolate. There's one important difference. To white chocolate, we shall use a brandy. And that's it. Remember not to give chocolate to organs. And remember to subscribe. Do you like this episode? Do you want me to make a recipe for a specific dish? Write your comments. I'm also waiting for your questions.